everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to the final week of Christmas month. We have got our Christmas coffees here. I've got the caramel brulee Starbucks coffee with salted caramel topping on top, and it's absolutely delicious. Next year, if we're still doing this thing, we're probably gonna have to come up with something better than Christmas month, because Christmas month, it's not that great. It's not a great title. It does tell you what you're getting in for though, so maybe Christmas month it is. I hope everyone's holiday season is going really well and that you've found a way to get some Christmas shopping done, because I know that we are back in lockdown in Toronto right now as I'm filming this, so hopefully Amazon has everything that we need for Christmas, or else everyone's getting lumps of coal. Just kidding, you can't go to the store to buy a lump of coal. Never mind. Nobody's getting anything. That's it. Okay, so we're gonna get into the makeup. So we're doing a cranberry inspired makeup look. Everyone tells me that you don't have to make monochromatic looks, but I just don't believe them. If I'm wearing cranberry on my eyes, I want to wear cranberry on my socks, cranberry on my shirt, cranberry on my lips, cranberry on my cheeks, but you don't have to. But I just like one color everywhere, or else I think it clashes. Whatever. Okay, so as always, we are going to start with our eye. So I'm going to be using the Milani eyeshadow primer today. So because I'm not exceptionally creative when it comes to eyeshadow, you will see that all of my eyeshadow looks basically look the same, just with different colors. So please enjoy another one of those today. So I want to use my Colourpop Give It To Me Straight palette and use this cranberry color and probably some of these. And then I'm also going to go in with the James Charles palette, because there's a pretty purple in here that I want to use. It's this one here. Okay, so for the first shade, I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques domed shading brush and go in with the shade Matter of Fact and set the eyeshadow primer that I used. And I'm just going to be putting this all over my lid because it does match my skin tone pretty well. And it'll just help blend everything out. Maybe I should zoom you guys in for the eyes. Is that interesting? Let's do it. If you guys like this, let me know down below and I'll start doing it for all of my videos, so that you can actually see what I'm doing. Okay, so after I have that first shade on, I'm going to go in with the shade Downright on my Morphe M440 brush and just put that right in the crease and kind of fluff it out. So I'm just going to bring that in here, kind of fluff it up towards my eyebrow and bring it out. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with this purple shade here from the James Charles palette in the shade Love That. And I'm just going to take that on my Morphe M506 brush. I'm just taking a little bit, it's actually a lot of it. And then I'm just going to kind of put it right in the crease and blend it up a little. So I'm just using this brush also to blend it into the Downright color as well. And I don't have any more product on my brush. I'm just kind of using it to move the color around. Okay, so I'm just going to go back over with the original brush and just blend it out very lightly. Okay, so next to tone down that pink, I'm going to go in with this more cranberry shade here, TMI, and put it in the crease and kind of blend it into the pink a little. Okay, so I want the outside to be a little bit deeper, so I'm going to go in with my Morphe 25B Bronze Mocha palette and just take this bottom purple shade here just to deepen out the outer corner a little, and I might even mix it with this one if it's not dark enough. And I'm just going to take it on the Morphe M506 brush again. And I'm just keeping this really close to the outer V and just blending it the tiniest bit into the crease. And I am mixing those two shades together. So to tap on the lid, I'm going to use the shade Shook more on this part, and then I'm going to use the shade Literally on the inside. Once I have it applied with my finger, then I'll go back in with a small eyeshadow brush and kind of blend it out a little. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my Sonia Kashuk small eyeshadow brush now and just blend along the edges so that there's no harsh lines. And then using the same brush I did for those dark shades, I'm going to pat right over to help blend the two together. I really want to try and do gold eyeliner, and if it doesn't look good, then we're just going to go over top of it with black. So we're just going to give it a shot. This is the NYX Slide On Glide On Stay All Day liner in the shade Glitzy Gold. I feel like someone else could make this look good, but I don't think that person is me. We just rub it away. And I'm just going to tap back over with my lid colors on top just to blend it away again. Now it's like it didn't happen. For the black eyeliner, I'm going to go in with my Essence Super Precise Liquid Liner. I'm going to leave the eyes for now and we're going to move on to the skin because I'm going to finish everything else up once the skin is done. So for primer, I'm going to be using the Becca First Light Priming Filter, and I'm just going to be putting that all up on that little face of mine. If I can get it out. Oh, I should probably zoom you guys out again, eh? In 3, 2, 1. So for my concealer, I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer in the shade Porcelain. Foundation, I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics Liquid Foundation in the shade Ivory Beige. I'm just putting a thin layer on first, and then I can go back in after if I need extra coverage anywhere, which is usually just around my cheeks. So now to set the makeup, to make everything look a little bit more matte, I'm going to use my Coty Airspun powder and just put it all over the face. So bronzer, I'm going to be using my Physicians Formula bronzer with my Real Techniques blush brush. And just put that there. Warm everything back up again. And for blush, the e.l.f. Primer Infused blushes in the shade Always Rosy with my Danielle blush brush. So just get that on, tap it off because this one is pretty pigmented. If you have too much blush in any spot, you can just go back over with your sponge and tap it out. I'm going to be going in with my Becca highlighter in Champagne Pop because I like the gold of it and I want to put more gold on my eyes. So I think that they will go well together if I can find my brush. Hello, highlighting brush. Hello, there you are. Now I've broken this about 4 times and put it back together about 4 times. I already have my eyebrows done. I'm just running a spoolie through them to get all the makeup out of them. So now for the bottom lash line, I'm going to go in with that NYX gold liner pencil that we did not get to use on the top and just smudge it out. So I'm just using my e.l.f. defining eyeliner brush and blending that out a little. And after I have that there, I'm going to go back in with my TMI shade from the Colourpop shadow and just blend out the gold with that. So using the M321 brush, I'm going to go back in with the shade Downright, just on the tip of my brush, just to blend everything out down below. Then once again with my Sonia Kashuk small eyeshadow palette, I'm going to take the shade Up Front here and just put it on my inner corners. For lashes, I'm going to be doing the L'Oreal Voluminous mascara. So for lips, I'm going to go in with the lip liner from Essence Soft Contouring Lip Liner in the shade 05 Melt Your Heart, and the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade 80 Ruler. Now you can either leave the lips matte like this will dry down matte, but I'm going to go in with my Stila lip gloss here in the shade Elevator Pitch, and it's just kind of a glittery gloss. It's not kind of, it's very glittery, and I think it would play nicely off the eyes. Alright, and here's the finished makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed this year's Christmas season makeup look, holiday festive month of goodness. We do still have another makeup look coming for next weekend for your New Year's Eve parties, even though your New Year's Eve party might just be at home with your loved ones. That will be super fun. At least we're gonna make it super fun. So still dress up if you want to because it's fun, and that's all I have to say about it. I hope you all have a Merry Christmas this coming week, or a Happy Holidays for whatever you and your family celebrate. I hope you all enjoyed this video and this take on a cranberry inspired makeup look. If you did, make sure to hit that like button down below. You can also hit the subscribe button if you want to see a new video here every single Sunday. Also click the little bell beside the subscribe button if you want to be notified whenever I upload. I hope you all have a great holiday season, and I'll see you all next week. Bye!